Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss the molecule of chapter number 1 and that topic is present on your textbook on page number 26. So today we will discuss the molecule, that what are molecules and how many types of molecules are there. So first of all we will discuss the definition for a molecule, that what is a molecule. So it is the smallest particle of matter which can exist free in nature. That is, it is the basic difference between the molecule and atom, that atoms they can't exist free in nature, whereas molecules they are formed by the chemical combination of atoms. For that reason they can exist free in nature. So this is the main key point for the molecules, that is the molecules they are formed by the combination of atoms and they can exist free in nature. Now we will discuss the classification of molecule. Actually the classification of molecule is based on two aspects, that is the molecules they can be classified on the basis of number of atoms, that how many number of atoms they are there in a molecule, and molecule they can be classified on the basis of the nature of the atom. So first of all we will discuss the classification of molecule on the basis of number of atom. So in this topic actually we will count the number of atom which are present in a single molecule. So this classification is very important because that classification is based on the number of atom. It's not related with the nature of the atom. We will just focus that how many atoms they are present in a single molecule. So the first classification, that is we are discussing the classification of molecule on the basis of number of atoms. So on the basis of number of atoms we can classify the molecule on two types, that is the first class is known as monoatomic molecule and second class is known as polyatomic molecule. Now what is monoatomic molecule? Actually the word mono is equal to one. So the type of molecule which consists of only one atom, they are known as monoatomic molecule. Now it's a very interesting thing to note that all the noble gases they are known as monoatomic molecule. As you can see that in the monoatomic molecule we have certain example, that is helium, neon, argon and some other noble gases they are present. These are considered as monoatomic molecule because they exist in nature in a singular form. For that reason actually they are atoms, but because of their existence free in nature, these all the noble gases they are considered as monoatomic molecules. So monoatomic molecules they are the molecule which consist of only one atom, and the examples are helium, neon, argon, etc., because these are the atoms which can exist free in nature. And inshallah in the next chapter we will discuss the detail that why these atoms can exist free in nature. So the first class is known as monoatomic molecule. The monoatomic molecule are those molecule which consist of only one atom, because the word mono mean one. Now the second class of the molecule they are known as polyatomic molecule, and the word poly mean many. In the polyatomic molecule we have some subclasses. The first class is known as di mean two, diatomic molecule, tri mean three, triatomic molecule, tetra mean four, tetraatomic molecule, and up to so on. So the diatomic molecule are the molecule which consist of only two atoms, and the example you can see that this is the hydrogen molecule which consists of two hydrogen atom. It's the molecule of HCl which consists of two atom, that is hydrogen and chlorine. Similarly, what are triatomic molecule? The molecule which consists of three atoms. Examples are water, that is the chemical formula of water is H2O, and the second example is carbon dioxide. Now in this case you can count the number of atoms. Hydrogen the 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom, so the total will be 3. Similarly, in the case of carbon dioxide, 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom, the total will be 3. For that reason, they are considered as triatomic molecule. Now, the third subclass is known as tetraatomic molecule. The molecule which consists of 4 atoms, they are known as tetraatomic molecule, and the example is hydrogen peroxide. Now, in this molecule you can see that we have 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atom. The total will be 4. So that hydrogen peroxide molecule consists of 4 atoms. For that reason it is known as tetraatomic molecule. So now I am going to summarize my classification. What type of classification? That this is the classification which is based on the number of atom. The molecule are classified on the basis of number of atom into 2 main classes: the monoatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. Mono mean one, poly mean many. So polyatomic molecules, they are further classified into diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule and tetraatomic molecule. Now there is another classification of the molecule which is based on the nature of atom. Nature means that what kinds of atoms they are present in a molecule. Now in this topic we don't have any interest in the number of atoms. Now we will see the nature of the atom, the kind of the atom which are present in a molecule. On the basis of the nature of the atoms, the molecules, they are classified into 2 main classes: homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. The word homo means same. That is, in this situation you will notice that same type or kind of atoms are present. As the word indicate you, hetero mean different. So in this molecule you will notice that different kinds of atoms they are present. Now how we will define the homoatomic molecule? The molecule which consists of atom of same elements, that is oxygen. 2 oxygen atoms are present, they are of same nature, of same kind. Similarly, chlorine, 2 chlorine atoms they are present, they are of same nature, same kind. So if the same elements are there, so that will be the homoatomic molecule. Now we are going to discuss the heteroatomic molecule. The word hetero mean different. So in these types of molecule you will notice different kinds or different nature of atoms they are present in a molecule. So how you will define the heteroatomic molecule? The molecule which consists of atoms of different element, that is hydrogen. In the water molecule you will notice that hydrogen element is present, hydrogen element and oxygen element they are present. They are totally different from one another. Similarly, in the second example you will see that carbon and oxygen elements are present. They are totally different from one another. So you can notice that different elements they are present. Similarly, in the case of HCl you will notice that hydrogen a different element and chlorine a different element they are present in a same molecule. So homoatomic molecule they are formed by the combination of atoms of same element, whereas the heteroatomic molecule they are the molecule which are formed by the combination of atoms of different element. In the homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule you will don't count the number of the atom. You will just check the nature of the atom and nature of the elements which are present in a molecule. So this is the classification which is based on the number of atoms, that is monoatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. In this classification you will count the number of atoms which are present in a single molecule. In this classification you will check the nature of the elements which are present in a molecule. So it's the classification based on the number of atoms and it's the classification based on the nature of atoms. That's all for today. Thank you.